Just creep around, how you sneak around, not wanted yet by another clown. Talk of the town, you can't even run, you'd fall down. That's another dick for the hoe now. Not my problem, no hello pal. You ain't the Kobe to my pal. You are no trophy. How the fuck you gonna hold me down, Yep, right on. You can move right along, directly to the next one. No question, you're destined. Not for great, just a mate. Again, probably late. Dodged a bullet, sanely safe. Maybe this time you can call it baits. But hey, I don't give a fuck. Worry free with real love. You and I, and it can never be us. Strangers, sucker punch.
It feels better biting down.